and this is incredibly fast.
It's always pleasure to hear these sounds. It's time that we start riding towards our flag off point.
Music got the best in me ever since I was a child. Now it's showing its ugly face.
Let's get a group photo.
Music creeps into my dreams, wakes me into sweaty sheets, abandons me when nights died out. What can I do? What can I do? So I better use my legs and run before it is too late to flee. I feel there is no other way. That's what I can do, what I can do. Babe, I want to be with you, but you know there's music too. Don't let jealousy allure you. Stop this, get right. Stop this, get right.
Big. So this trip is going to be 9,000 kilometers. We are going to ride on 4 motorcycles, 2 Hayabusas, 2 Indian motorcycles.
This place is made for you only.
But the real journey and real identity began when xBhp invited me in the most passionate biker hunt.
Because we tried to do many things, nothing happened.
So I was the first Indian woman to ever finish Raid the Himalaya.
So proud to see such people who are doing all positive things for this community.
There are no barriers between a male and a female when it comes on track. She is a dentist by profession but a racer by heart.
I have been racing at the JKTI Superbike Championship as the only lady racer.
9,000 kilometers xBhp is going out for. It's an amazing task.
Just like xBhp, bikers for good is a community, but more importantly, it's a value.
Biking for me
Involves everything.
definitely
Top of the world, better I.
that's how I feel every time I ride.